In this video, I'll show you how to read and reply to email messages that have been sent to your CVTC student email. After you sign in, you'll notice the default view is of your inbox folder. This is where any new messages get sent for you to click on and read. You'll notice it's a long list of different emails, but each one has the person who sent the message, the subject line of the message, a quick introductory view of what the message contains, in addition to the date and time the message was sent. If you hover on a different message, you'll notice you get the same information, but these 4 quick links will follow you depending on what message you are hovering on. In this example, we're going to click on this message. You'll notice it appears along the right-hand side, and it again gives us the sender of the message, the date and time it was sent, who all received the message, in addition to the content. After reading the message, if I decide I need to reply to this person, I can simply click the single arrow along the right-hand side. The single arrow means reply. This means you're only going to reply to the one person who sent the message. The double arrow is reply all. This means that you're going to send a message back to everyone who received the message originally, in addition to the sender. Be careful when choosing reply or reply all. Some instructors like to send messages to more than one student at one time, and if you click reply all and provide sensitive information back to your instructor, everyone who was originally on that message will receive your reply. So be careful when selecting reply or reply all. To take this message and forward it to someone else, I could use the right arrow next to the reply all and reply arrows. This forward button would allow me to open up a blank message, indicate who I would like to send it to, and then notice we have FW in our subject line, which indicates a forward, and then we have that original message below. I'm going to discard this forward message and start back at the original message we would like to reply to. In this situation, I just want to click reply. A new message opens up in my window, and you can see it automatically will fill in who the message is going to. It will include RE in the subject line of the message, and that stands for reply. And it gives me space to add to my message. For this example, I just need to say, "Thank you for scheduling me." When you're done drafting your message, double check that your spelling, grammar, and punctuation are on point. Notice that you get the original message attached to the bottom of the new message you're going to send, and you get some different formatting options at the bottom of your message. When you're ready to send a message, double check that it is going to the person who should be receiving it, and then simply click Send. You can choose Send in the bottom of the window, or you can choose Send up at the top in the window. Once we get Send, you'll notice I get a little arrow icon in the top right-hand corner of this message. That means that I have replied to the message. If I'd like to delete this message, since I've replied to it, I could simply click on the delete button here, or since it's selected and it's open in the window along the right-hand side, I could click delete up in this menu. Lastly, notice that you get options along the right-hand side here, and you can click more actions to choose from this list as well. To take this message and forward it to someone else, I could use the right arrow next to the reply all and reply arrows. This forward button would allow me to open up a blank message, indicate who I would like to send it to, and then notice we have FW in our subject line, which indicates a forward, and then we have that original message below.